Welcome to Daytona Beach. This is the Pie in the Sky, the former bus depot. The site of the pallet making class.
I got those. Every table is set up to have 2 people at each table, 2 people at that table, 2 people at that table, and 3 at that table. Okay. So those stacks around.
So you can go ahead and follow. Alright, so pick your table, pick your pile of food. I can
Just
probably
process
do
it because, hey, you don't need a whole bunch of tools. Just build your basic tools, this, pencil, saw, and
a drill.
You don't need, it's gonna be very simplistic, more or less. And
All right, so let me go ahead and
well, once you get a little more,
It's controlled chaos here at Natural Concepts and Pie in the Sky today, as we've got teams of women putting together pallet tables from scratch. So we prepared all the wood and got the supplies together and set up for them. And we've got Matt and Nathan teaching how to build the pallet table from the raw pieces. So the first thing has just been to get 2 of the boards, a long and a short, and then use a drill to connect them and begin the build process. We've got speed squares on the table and safety glasses and pencils, and everybody's trying to see how the first steps are going to work out. So lots of fun here today.
Hey Matt, good luck with everybody except we have 12 maids. Yeah.
Okay, so we have an extra one. This is what I think we can do to make this easiest. Step by step, everyone can do it.
ladies, there we go. How about a long one and a short one?
Hi, and welcome to Pie in the Sky, or actually Natural Concepts' first pallet table building class. We're having a great time. You can see there's a bunch of ladies here that are working out and having a good time. We are making a small patio table, and they're all getting to use drills and hammers and put together the table on their own. So that's what today's project is. We've got many more to come. We're going to repeat this class. We'll repeat more difficult projects too as we go along. So you should keep up with our the Facebook page. Check out our signs out front. Call me at 386-341-5068 for upcoming classes. Sign up for my email, which gives that information also. But keep in touch and come on down and try some of the classes that we have upcoming. There's lots more happening. We've got body care coming up next week, how to make your own, and tea tasting. So give me a call, get on the Facebook page, do something, and come down and join us. So the question that Ken asked me is, why do I think that there's only women here in the class? And I could have some snarky answers for that, but I'll be very kind and I won't. I think it's just a fun thing that the women don't often get to do, and come in and use power tools because your husband or your significant other says, well, here, let me do that, and that happens. But now they can come in. There's no judgment. We're all kind of new at some of this anyway. And so I think that's my best scenario on why it's all ladies. But it's a blast, and they're having fun.
I need a drill, Nathan.
Drill.
You guys drill over there.
It's questionable with that. I'm ready to
Good deal.
now we're moving forward. One down and forward back.